a row that were straight, but they were that
This
way.
is Day. Look down. Oh, well, let's have her come down here. So you got a backpack on. You're a brave soul. Look this way.
Strap the back.
Look this way. Make sure it's not.
Oh.
Okay, broke out.
I swear, we're walking right in the middle.
You think the thing is in between your legs?
Yeah.
Really? Alright, come to me. Don't hurt yourself. Okay, I want her to be able to get a picture of this. So, what I want you to do is touch your finger to your nose. And then you gotta turn so they can see it too. Okay, touch the tip of my pen. Yay! You guys can't no. Okay. Yay!
I swear I was on the
That
line.
way.
Straight.
Alright, you're
Yeah,
gonna
seriously,
look
that's
for
what I
it.
thought. I was like, I'm on the line. Like,
Alright, turn around, find the line. Alright, here's what we want you to do. Oh, okay.
Oh gosh.
I don't have my oh, I know what I wanted to do. Hold on, somebody else. Is there a drinking fountain?
Yeah, it's just right over there. Do you want me to put some water in there?
I'm gonna
walk over.
Keep dancing now. Dougie.
So yeah,
Great
look,
kids.
and isn't she cute? Isn't she cute? Because people will say, Kath, those goggles are so cool, and yet somehow we'll wear those to the party, right? Here's the thing. Would you wear those to a party?
No.
No. Well, what is it that we're not getting by wearing the goggles?
Brain.
The social lubricant effect, right? So the simulation goggles, you can take them off, okay? The